Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Swarnadravya. Before we start, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the latest updates. You can also share this with your family and friends so that they can also benefit from the information shared. Our motto, let's earn and let's help others earn too. To continue with the investment idea for Tata Chemical, which was shared in our last video published on Sunday, 10th of Jan. It was trading at around 496. So if you see last trading price, it's currently trading up by 37 rupees, which is approximately 7.5% higher from the price shared on Sunday. And the current market price is rupees 533.9. The return is higher than or equals to the return that we receive on our fixed deposits. So without wasting our time, let's move towards the main discussion, which is what is exactly the business of Tata Chemicals? Here we have listed out some primary reasons why you should be investing in Tata Chemicals. Point number 1, energy storage solutions, which is lithium-ion battery. Their partnership with leading battery makers in the world for commercial cells, global R&D labs for next generation technology, and Indian R&D centers like ISRO, CSIR, CECRI, and CMET for indigenous development of active cells and recycling. Then comes manufacturing. Tata Chemical have a plant site for over 127 acres of land in Dholera, Gujarat, which can house the manufacturing of actives, cells and batteries up to 10 gigahertz per annum, as well as recycling options. Their lithium-ion cells and battery packs will find application in the automotive sector as well as stationary energy storage. Point number 3, which is engineering center. Tata Chemical has established a battery engineering center in Pune in collaboration with Tata Technologies. Their scientists are at the Innovation Center in Pune are also working on multiple chemistries as well as cell design and active manufacturing technologies. Now we'll talk about the different business models that are related to recycling of lithium-ion batteries. So most of the companies are working to manufacture the lithium-ion battery, but Tata Chemical has established a circular economy in its lithium-ion battery business. That is, by recycling lithium-ion batteries, they recover value material that are part of these products and leverage science into delivering sustainable solutions. Now, every company is getting into manufacturing of lithium-ion battery, but it is a unique business model of getting into recycling of lithium-ion batteries. Recycling is a strong capability in chemistry. Tata Chemical has already launched recycling operations to recover key materials in the form of cobalt, sulfate and lithium carbonate. As per our knowledge, no one till date in India is there in this business model. Please feel free to correct us in case you have some additional information around the same. Now we'll talk about the nutrition science division of Tata Chemicals. The prebiotics and dietary fibers in their portfolio. India's first and only nutritional science business. They have pioneered the production of Fossins and Gossins, a range of healthy prebiotic products which is marketed to B2B customers across India, North America, Europe, Middle East and Asia. Tata Chemical have the largest salt works in Asia and the third largest soda ash manufacturer and the sixth largest sodium bicarbonate manufacturer in the world. Their specialty in chemistry. Now here we'll talk about agrosciences. Tata Chemical covers 80% of India's district with 13 million farmer contacts through their subsidiaries India Limited, which offers crop protection and agri input solutions. Now we'll talk about nutritional science. Tata Chemical offers an innovative range of nutritional solutions, prebiotics, and healthier alternatives to regular sugar for consumers. Next comes the material science. Their material science solutions, highly dispersible silica and other grades of precipitated silica and silica dispersion, have allowed us to leverage our nanochemistry and material synthesis expertise to serve needs of high performance materials, that is, across several industry segments including tires and rubbers. Now we are going to talk about the future plan of Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemical has been coming up with capacity expansion for soda ash, soda bicarb, and cement business, which is expected to get entirely commissioned by the year 2022. Now, we are going to talk about the key achievements of financial year 19 to 20. Tata Chemical has rapidly expanded their capacity to produce essential products and align with the new strategic imperative brought on by the pandemic. Commences trial production at the 1000 MT Greenfield Biotechnology Manufacturing Unit in Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Commences commercial production on non-rubber and rubber grade silica at 900 ppm silica plant in Cuddalore, Tamil Nadu. Commences commercial production of the first phase expansion of Netribuzin plant. Secures land in Dholera, Gujarat to set up a greenfield manufacturing facility for engineering sciences vertical. Now we are going to talk about some fundamental stocks. So if you see, the face value of Tata Chemical at this point in time is Rs10. Their earning per share is 261.09. Their price to equity is 1.92 and sector PE is 2.4. Their book value per share is 536.25 and the dividend yield is 2.20. In case you have observed, last year promoters Tata Sons has increased their shareholding in Tata Chemicals. Earlier they had acquired about 18,07,245 shares of Tata Chemicals for Rs 420 each, which was approximately 76 crores and 0.7%. Tata Chemical has bought 25,71,651 shares of the company at an average price of Rs 471.88, which is 121 crore and approximately 1%. The holding of the promoters as of 30th September 2020 is 35.47%, which is way higher. The trend of the shareholding has been attached in the slide for your reference. With the above data, Tata Chemical stock has a good future. However, we would not recommend that you go all out and buy all the stocks at one go. It would be highly recommended for you to observe and buy the stock in chunks as much as you can. Until then, Namaste.